Alright guys, this is another unboxing video of some new technology. This is the Steam Deck unboxing. Probably seen a lot of them already, but I'm just doing mine. I love video games, as you can probably see in my other videos. Have a lot of video games, different video games. So although this is a handheld computer, you can do a lot of stuff with it. You know, it's mainly for video games. Just cutting it open here. Alright, we got it open. And there you go, the standard informational card here. Let's see if we can get this. There we go. It's fully open here. And then get that out, and then you got your power brick, I think, accessories. And I got that open too. Cutting it open here. Doing this all one-handed, bear with me. The joys of living in 2022. Okay, I got that box open. So you got your power brick with cord. Looks like it doesn't have a detachable cable. That's fine. Proprietary, but it is USB 3C, so you can use other cords with it. Anyway, there's that. Power cord. Kind of odd if it didn't come with something else here, though. Let me see. Okay. So just power cord and printed manual. Okay. And then here's the Absolute Beauty in all its glory. Go ahead and open up the bag here. Says your games are going places, literally portable, on the go. And there it is. It got a little carrying handle. You can just carry it. And I'll go ahead and unzip it here. Let's see what it looks like. Actually, you gotta cut that off. Okay. I'm gonna take a little pause here. I'll be right back. Alright, so you got that little piece off. And now we can unzip it. is. Look at that beauty. It's gorgeous. Nice. That's what the back looks like. Nothing special. Okay. Then we got a little cleaning cloth in here. And then a little bonus, since I got the most expensive one, the 512 gigabyte. Has the anti-glare screen, as you may have seen. And this I'm supposing for use for a portable battery pack, because you're going to need it with this, as it doesn't have that great of a battery life on it. So there you go. That's the Steam Deck, folks. I do have a little bonus for you here, because there are some must-have accessories, obviously, for this particular device. So I'm going to go ahead and do a bonus unboxing of the iVolver Steam Deck dock. Now, Valve hasn't come out with their own yet, or haven't released it, so we're all sitting here waiting. And in the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to use aftermarket products in the meantime. Let me go ahead and get this unboxed and show you guys what this is. It's a simple little device, but it does make things a lot easier when you want to do different stuff with not only a premium gaming device, but also a handheld computer. So this here is a dock for the deck. Nice and simple. It's got the brand logo there, and then it's got your HDMI, USB 3 Type C, and 3 USB 3.0 inputs. This one here does not have Ethernet, unfortunately, so we'll have to figure that out some other way. But it does have the Type C connector to put in the back of the dock. Alright, so there you go, folks. Dock, Steam Deck. Till next time, have a nice day, folks.